Okay, so go here. So I'm showing the CMA on a property 5062 Marconi Avenue. So I will do it again because Sonia just joined also. She will be also able to get it. So residential, single family, and then this is about a 62 Marconi. So we kept the active, coming soon, closed, and under contract. All these parameters we selected. Now, usually we do CMA for 6 months, so from here to here, this date, and then we have. I'm not checking the price. I just wanted to see how many properties you can see. So 5 bedroom, 3 full bath, fully finished basement, and 1 car garage. Okay. So if I put zip code 0830 and I say search, the system finding two properties. Okay, so zip code, close, 5 bedroom, 3 bath. Okay, we have put basement, yes, and then garage, yes. Okay, so basement, yes, fully finished, 1 garage, and let's see how many properties, what kind of property we have. So the system found one property, 26 Heidi, which is closed, uh, and that was built in 1958. So R is 2008 built, right? So let me do. So this shows there is, the built property. The only property which was so long ago was built in 1958. Now let me put year built also as a search parameter. So this property which we are doing a CMA is built in 2008. Okay. So now see how many properties we have. Only one. So I will remove zip code because there is, just to see how many properties in entire New Jersey we have. So I'm removing 08830 zip code. So now there are 27 properties in entire New Jersey which are single family, sold in 6 months, are available. 5 bedroom, 3 full bath, full finished basement, 1 garage, and built after 2008, on or before 2000. Okay, let's see what deal we are getting. So this is the 62 Marconi. So this is the only this is the cheapest and the best property. See, so 2008 built, lowest price. The rest, everything, every other property in the market is way too high. It goes all the way to 2 million, and someone is buying 2 million property in Alpine, and then these are Monroe, Edison, all those areas. So in Iselin, which is 35-minute direct train to New York with a metropolitan station, uh, good schools, excellent neighborhood, and this property has a finished basement with a amphitheater system, and there is a deck also, composite material deck with the lifetime warranty, and you are getting this deal. And this property is only how many days in the market? 4 days. See, so this is a CMA, and this is something we will share with the clients, so they know that what deal they are getting. Okay, so I